Hi friends, hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Tricks for Exams. In this video we will see the ICH. Okay, and this is the abbreviation of ICH. Okay, it has a very long abbreviation. Okay, International Conference on Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Registration of Pharmaceuticals for Human Use. This was the abbreviation, okay, when they have established in the year of 1990. Okay, it is a old abbreviation. Now the abbreviation is changed. See here, it is a new abbreviation. International Council. See here, conference changed into a council for harmonization of technical requirements for pharmaceuticals for human use. Okay, this new abbreviation they changed in the year of 2015 October month. Okay, this question was appeared in the interview. Okay, interview conducted by the Dr. Reddy's lab to a pharmacy student. Okay, so here conference now changed into council. Okay, and registration, this term is eliminated, registration of eliminated, the remaining as it is a same. Okay, now this 2020, this year is 2020, ICH is celebrating 30 years. See, 20 years plus 10 years, 30 years of annual celebrations. Okay, and now we will understand the concept of ICH. Okay, yeah, take screenshot if you want. Okay, see here, I take the help of a paracetamol tablet in order to explain the ICH. This is the example paracetamol tablet. Okay, and you see here it is a IP. We know that IP is a Indian Pharmacopoeia. It is a Indian book, Indian publication, and this IP, what is there in the IP? IP consists of testing, how to test the tablets, drugs, okay, formulations, etc. and all. It has a testing procedure, it has a specifications, and it has a limitations, and it has a standards for each and every drug and each and every formulations. Okay, IP. And what is there in the BP? BP also consists of, for same tablet paracetamol, BP also, it also consists of a testing procedure, specifications, standards, etc. and all. Okay, so IP also consists of same thing, BP also consists of a paracetamol, but IP does not equal to BP, because for the same tablet paracetamol, IP is giving a different specifications, different testing procedure. BP is giving a different testing procedure, different specification, different limitations. That's why IP is not equal to BP. You got the point? Yeah. In the same fashion, BP is not equal to USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, and USP not equal to EP, European Pharmacopoeia. So each country, USP America, EP Europe, BP Britain, IP India. Okay, so all the publications of the different countries do not shows the same specification for the same tablet. That was the biggest problem. Okay, yeah. Now you come to the manufacturing authorities, like regulatory authorities. Okay, regulatory authorities will give a guidelines for the to start a company, okay, to manufacture the various drugs. Okay, those are all called as a regulatory authorities. These authorities are there in all the countries, each countries. Okay, so regulatory authority in India is a CDSCO. I will give you full abbreviation later. CDSCO, it is the regulatory authority in India. It gives the manufacturing guidelines. Okay, and see here, Britain also gave different guidelines for the manufacturing of the paracetamol tablet. America is also giving a different, that is US FDA. US FDA gave different guidelines for the manufacturing of tablet. And see here, Europe also giving a different guidelines for the manufacturing of the paracetamol tablet. So different countries having a different regulatory authorities, and all these regulatory authority specifications are not equal. Not equal. So this makes a biggest problem worldwide. Okay, all the manufacturers, drug manufacturers, they are scratching their head. If because see here, I will give you an example. What is the problem? See, you started a company in India and you started manufacturing according to the guidelines. You manufactured a paracetamol tablets here, and you have tested as per the IP, and you can market only in India. Okay, because you followed the guidelines of Indian Regulatory Authority and IP. You cannot market these tablets in a Britain. Okay, and you cannot market these tablets in America, and you cannot market these tablets in the Europe, because their guidelines are completely different. Okay, so that's why ICH, what they did is they mixed all these guidelines. ICH, that is the main purpose of. So now you can understand the concept. ICU is nothing but UNIQ project. UNIQ project, bringing to one. UNIQ, see here, uni means one, bringing all rules and regulations of different countries into a one, bringing to one. It is a global standards. That's why it is called the international council. Not a national council. All these are the national councils, whereas ICH is a international council, and it gives a guidelines. Okay, all regulatory guidelines. See here, regulatory guidelines, testing guidelines, whatever it may be, all regulatory guidelines on one rope. One rope. Okay, there is only, entire world will follow only one guidelines, that is ICH, so that you can market, you can manufacture in India, you can market in Britain or America or Europe, in any country, like that. Okay, you can manufacture here and you can market here, you can test the drugs here, you can do clinical trials here, like that. You can start anywhere. Okay, anywhere, any step, any marketing, whatever it may be, any country you can do. Okay, so all regulatory guidelines on one rope. That is why they used the word harmony. Harmony, all these guidelines bringing into a harmony, just like a harmony box, musical harmony, piano, like that they are bringing. Okay, that is the main purpose of ICH. That is the concept. You have to explain in the exam very neatly. Okay, and here you can see what ICH is doing now. See, ICH development, main function or main job, development of various guidelines, ICH guidelines. So these guidelines for entire world, not to a single country. Okay, and they have to ensure the quality, safety and efficacy. Ensurement, that is also a main job or vision of the ICH, and they have to ensure the better health also, better health. Okay, and achievement. See here, to include the number of countries as possible as much. So ICH is go on trying to make a joining of all the members. See, at present members are only 17 countries are there. Member countries in the ICH at present, that is in the year of 2020, only 17 countries are there. Okay, what it means? 17 countries, they can do manufacture in the any country of these 7, and they can market anywhere. Okay, they have observer countries 32 countries, observer countries. Okay, and these observer countries only observe, they will go on observing the ICH, okay, but they are not implementing the rules and regulations of ICH in their country. Whereas the member countries, they are accepting and implementing the ICH guidelines. These persons not implementing, just keep on observing what's happening in the ICH. So our India, see here, India is one of the observer country. It is not the member country. So we are not following the ICH guidelines. We are not following the ICH guideline in India. Okay. And if you want to see all my videos, here I have shown the way. Some students, they are asking that how to see all your videos like that, they are asking. So here, so first you subscribe the channel. After subscription, you go to subscriptions. It is there in the your page at the bottom, no, at the bottom center point you can find your subscription in the YouTube. Okay, so there you click on that subscription, so you will get my channel Pharma Tricks for Exams. Okay, then you go to playlists in my channel, okay, so that you can get all my videos. I have uploaded a number of videos subject wise, okay. And if you want to see any updates, okay, you press bell icon, okay, so that whenever I have uploaded that, automatically you will get a notification. Okay, yeah, ICH proposal. So ICH, we know that it was established in the year of 1990 at Brazil. This is also important, at Brazil. But proposal was 1 year before. Proposal 1989 was the proposal at Paris in the WHO meeting, World Health Organization meeting. During that meeting, the proposal was done, ICH. Okay, and ICH proposal was done by 3 countries. These 3 countries initiates the proposal of the ICH. The main 3 countries are initiated the proposal of ICH. Okay, one is Europe, one is Japan, and another one is the US, that is the United States of America. Okay, 3 countries. These 3 countries are important. Okay, so to remember this, Europe, Japan, US, here code is there, Jesus. Yes, you strike down the yes. After writing Jesus, you strike down the yes. Japan, Europe, United States. Okay, and 3 countries, and here you can find that these 3 countries, from each country they have selected a logical way. See here, from Europe, one government company, one private company, one government company and one private company, one government organization, one private, like that. One from government, so totally 3 governments and 3 private, like that they have selected very nicely. Okay, these called as 6 parties. Okay, ICH 6 parties. These are also a very important in all competitive examination. 3 countries, 6 parties. Okay, I will abbreviate you. I will tell you how to abbreviate all these things, and I have listed all abbreviations here. Okay, you keep which is government company, which is private company. That was also questions of 1 mark questions might ask in the competitive examinations. Okay, so I will give you now. See here, European Commission, European Union, that is a government. European, see, name itself indicate either it is a government or private. You just observe. So okay, read and observe that carefully, so that automatically you came to know either it is a government or private. See here, European Commission, European Union. Here, European Federation of Pharmaceutical Industries, industry people, they form associated, industry people association. No way it is related to government. MHLA, Ministry of, see here name itself indicate, Ministry of Health, so it is government. Labor Welfare, Japan. See here next, JPMA, Japan Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association. No way it is related to government. Okay, pharmaceutical manufacturers, they formed association. Okay, US FDA, United States Food and Drug Administration, and that is a government. Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers Association. See, wherever the association comes, it is a association of private manufacturers or researchers. The remaining three are the government companies. Okay. See here. So now you can see all these abbreviations. These abbreviations I gave already. Okay. And why they have started this ICH, I have already told you. The reason is harmonization, to bringing all the rules, all the regulatory guidelines on a single rope. It is a unique project. Okay. And one more strong reason is thalidomide tragedy. Okay, this is also very important. Thalidomide, it is one of the drug. Okay, there was a biggest tragedy in the Europe in the year of 1960, because those persons who consumed, the mothers who consumed thalidomide, they gave a birth to babies having a sealed limbs. They do not have limbs, very small limbs, 2 hands and 2 legs, very small sealed limbs. This disease is called as a phocomelia. This is also appeared in old question papers. Number of times it was asked, what is a thalidomide tragedy, where it happened, which year it happened, what is the main problem, and what it is called as the diseases. Okay. Yeah. And first conference of ICH they did at 1991 at Brazil. See here, all are in a sequence. 1989 proposal, 1990 establishment, 1991 Brazil. First conference. All three are the in a row. Okay. In the next video we will see the complete remaining part of the ICH. Thank you. All the best.